everybody. Welcome back to Keeping It Detroit. So we're almost wrapping it up. We're at the end of the 123 real estate event, which turned out amazing. I learned so much. Like I gotta go home and do some research tonight. Okay, I'm ready to move. Everybody has me so excited. So we're actually here with an investor, Jerry, aka Jr. You told me something super sweet. Like I gotta let you say it yourself about like who the man is.
So my name is J.R. Jerry Ruffin, and I am a real estate transaction engineer. And what that is a person that is in real estate investing, an active real estate investor that is able to do any type of real estate transaction that come your way, from wholesaling to flipping to buy and hold to land development, whatever it is, the transaction, you're able to complete it, start, finish.
Okay, so if I'm a first time investor, how could you help me? What are some of the tips that you would give? Or some of the programs that you might offer for first time investors?
Got it. Well, again, we show you on a weekly basis how to find a deal, how to fund that deal, how to analyze the deal, because that's so important to know what type of deal you're trying to do, and then finally how to pay off that deal so that you now have the equity to pull out to go and reinvest in other assets. So that's the whole goal of, becoming a real estate investor, to build wealth. And you build wealth by understanding and learning your niche, learning your real estate strategy that you want to do. And then behind that real estate strategy, creating a digital asset like what you guys are creating here. This podcast is a digital asset. You'll be able to package this up and sell it forever if you know how to place it on the internet and do that. So it's the same with real estate investing.
Yep.
Learn your real estate strategy, package it up,
Yep.
show people how it's done. And now you got one digital asset. So the more digital assets you have out there, you become a transaction engineer, making money while you sleep.
You better speak live into the podcast and to the investor, okay? All right, y'all, they about to kick us out in a second. But let's talk about the event really quick. Tell us how you felt about it and what you learned today.
This event was amazing. 123 real estate. I came out, found you guys on Eventbrite.
Okay.
I love the fact that you guys market, so you guys are awesome with doing that. So make sure that this event, anything that they put on, you guys come and check it out. This is a wealth of knowledge. The people that they had here as panelists were so informative. It's all about the information and knowledge. And so getting into the know, that's the root word of knowledge. Getting into the know, and that's what they provided tonight. I promise you guys, if you ever get an event, come and hang out with these guys.
You can't pay.
Keeping it Detroit. Man, keeping it Detroit. I love these guys. So thank you guys for having me on. I know we got to wrap this thing up.
Okay, so how can people find you real quick?
Oh, they can find me. You can find me at JR226, JR226 on Instagram.
Okay. JR, come see me in person. We got to talk.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much. Look forward to speaking with you offline, following up on this conversation. As always, thank you for tuning in to Keeping It Detroit Clifton. I appreciate you for joining me today. Great co-host. Come back anytime. And y'all know what it is. If you're keeping it real, keeping it Detroit.